Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial video. In this video, we are going to complete exercise number 48. So this is our exercise 48 and we are going to complete it in Fusion 360. First of all, we will create this base, okay, using top view. Then we will extrude it up to 10. And in next phase, we will draw these vertical walls and then extrude it. Okay, so simply create sketch, select the plane, next select the rectangle, then select the center rectangle, and now create a rectangle of 80 by 50. So this is 80, press tab, then 50, press enter. Okay, now create a circle or draw a circle at 25 from this edge and 25 from this edge. So it is of 24, enter, and its dimension from this vertical line is 25 and its dimension from here is also 25. This is 25 and this one is 25. Okay. Now we have to make it curve. So simply use fillet tool, select these two lines, then specify the fillet value 15. Similarly, use fillet and specify value 15. So we have here our base profile. Okay. Now finish sketch and then use extrude tool and extrude it up to 10. So this is 10. This value is 10. This value is 10. So 10 and then okay. Now the next thing is we have to draw this profile on this surface and then we have to extrude it 25. Okay. So sketch tool, select the surface, and next thing is we will draw these lines. So this one is of 30 mm vertical line. Okay, and its location is it is 10 from this edge. So select this one and specify this value 10, and its distance from this bottom is also 10. So select this one and specify the value 10. Next thing is we have to draw this horizontal line and it is 40 minus 10, so it will be of 30. Okay, so 30 horizontal line. Next, close it. Similarly, here also and close it. If we measure this distance from here, so it is 30. Okay. Next thing is finish sketch. The next tool, select the close profile and extrude it up to 25. So the overall height is 35, but in which 10 is this. So the remaining is 25. So we are extruding it to 25 and the operation is join. So this way we had created this profile. You can also do it by using another method. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.